Hello everyone, welcome to Sunnyscopa's one-day class, where we share awesome DIY decorating tips anyone can easily follow. I'm sure we've all tried painting Easter eggs with a brush and some paint, ending up with some slightly wobbly drawings at least once. So today, instead of drawing by hand, here's an easy way to apply gorgeous, intricate designs right onto your eggs. Decorating Easter eggs for those who can't draw. Let's get started. For our materials, you'll need some eggs, a laser printer, and Sunnyscopa's laser Waterslide Decal paper. First, we need an image to decorate our egg. I wanted a really gorgeous, fairy tale-like, yet highly detailed watercolor painting, so I asked an AI to generate an image for me. Here is the prompt I used. A cute rabbit sitting among flowers and grass, surrounded by colorful spring blossoms with a lovely and whimsical fairy tale mood. Delicate watercolor illustration in a photorealistic style, highly detailed, white/transparent background, 4x5. ChatGPT can generate transparent backgrounds, but Gemini can't. So if you're using Gemini, just ask for a white background instead. Since this is going on an egg, I requested an aspect ratio of about 4x5. Here is ChatGPT's result, and here is Nano Banana's result. Every AI tool has a slightly different art style, so feel free to choose the one you like best. You can also attach a reference image if you have a specific vibe in mind. I used my own reference images to get these results. Now, save your images and use a design tool like Photoshop, Illustrator, or Canva to arrange them on an A4-sized artboard, scaling them to fit the size of your eggs. Here's a pro tip. Slightly stretch your images horizontally so they look a bit squished from top to bottom. This will make the final result look much more natural when applied to a curved surface like an egg. Now it's time to bring out Sunnyscopa's laser Waterslide Decal paper. There are several types of laser decal paper, but we'll be using the standard type today. I also chose the standard thickness, and for the color of the film, I went with clear. The smooth, glossy side of the paper is the printing side. Load the paper so it prints on this side and hit print. The print settings are as follows. Once your images are printed nicely, cut out each design with scissors. Cut closely around the edges so it's much easier to apply on curved surfaces. Now we'll apply this design to this egg. To transfer using the laser Waterslide Decal paper, all you need is water. Submerge your cutout decal in room temperature water. Take it out after about 30 seconds and the film will separate from the backing paper. In this state, place the decal onto the egg right where you want your design to go. Hold the film in place with your finger and gently slide out the backing paper from underneath. You'll be left with only the clear film with your printed design. Now, slowly smooth it out to remove any trapped water and air bubbles to stick firmly onto the egg. You can use a rubber squeegee, but when working with curves, it's actually much easier to just smooth it out with your fingers. While the decal is still wet, it's easy to slide around on the surface, and the film stretches nicely, allowing you to do detailed work without the film wrinkling or folding on the curve. Once you've neatly applied the decal to the egg, let it dry completely. Once it's fully dry, you're done. Super easy, right? You can use this exact same method to decorate with other designs too. Even if you can't draw at all, you can easily apply detailed designs, even on curved surfaces like this, with Sunnyscopa decal paper. It's a great hands-on activity for kids and perfect for a fun Easter event where the whole family gathers to craft together. For the purchase link to the laser Waterslide decal paper used in this video, please check the description box below. I'll be back next time with another helpful and easy tutorial. Happy Easter!